Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create your own style of mustache or beard on Dress to Impress by using the new accessory adjustment feature. So go and sit down in the hairstyles place and select the bangs that the men's can wear, or if you're wearing a feminine outfit, that's totally fine as well. And then select whichever kind of mustache slash beard you want. I'm just going to select this one first, and then I'm going to select the accessory adjustments button. I'm then just going to position it where I want the mustache to be. Oops, my god. And I'm just going to adjust this a little bit better, and I'm going to scale it down as well to make it look more like a mustache, I guess. I know this one's like a little bit wonky, so I'm going to try something else, maybe this one. Going to also scale this down a little bit, and then I'm going to place this down. Also going to scale that a little bit more down here and just adjust like what kind of mustache you would like for your person. Maybe something like this. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.